Hey Ghostbusters fans, Ghost Guy here. Um, I'm going to show you how to assemble the real Ghostbusters style PKE meters. Okay, first, in advance, I've placed the small screws here on the front and here on the back, and I've also attached the hook on the bottom. The hook uses the pointy screw. So the first thing you want to do is you can put the screen in. Take the overlay. You make sure that the numbers are in the correct orientation. And you place that in there like so. Then you take the screen. You slip that in there. And you can glue this down if you wish, but it's a friction fit. So it will stay in there nice and solidly. The next thing that you might want to do is take the longer of the two screws. If they're the same length, then they're both short screws. And stick it from the inside through the side here. And then you take one of these, you place it on there, and you tighten down the set screw. The next thing that you'll want to do is attach the antenna. To do that, you take the smaller of the two 1/4 inch screws, place that near the top of the meter like so, and you place the bracket, making sure that the small holes in the bracket align with the small holes in the top of the meter. If they do not, then simply rotate the bracket 180 degrees and they will line up. Then take the antenna and place it on there and tighten it down. Okay guys, change of plans. I just discovered that somehow I don't understand how this mistake occurred, because I double checked and triple checked this before I glued these together. Somehow I've glued onto the wrong end of the turnbuckle the cabinet latch. And the bottom of a turnbuckle has a hole which is threaded counterclockwise instead of clockwise. So the screw will not screw into the bottom of the turnbuckle. It's not a huge deal though. Get a smaller screw. A panhead machine screw would be a good choice. It will provide a little more clearance inside the PKE. A smaller diameter. The original was 1/4 inch. You'll need something smaller than that, maybe a number 10 or a number 12. And get a nut for that. So get yourself a panhead machine screw, number 10 or number 12. Let's see here. About 1 inch long. Get yourself a nut for it. Then place your bracket over the screw. Place the turnbuckle over the screw. Place the nut inside the turnbuckle and tighten it down from inside. Make sure that you have the antenna facing the correct direction. The little screw heads go towards the back of the PKE. Alternatively, you could put the screw on the inside of the PKE and put the head of the bolt on the outside, but this may be a little bit easier to attach it this way. Don't look too bad. I apologize for this. I don't understand what's happened. Feel like an idiot. But okay, so now that you've got that attached, make sure you have the holes still aligned on there. In this case, I do not. So I installed the antenna backwards. So hold on over here.